Hi, everyone. I want to dive into the core principles, practical use cases, and some tips for getting the most out of Google Gemini. The goal here is to help you not just understand Gemini, but to master it in ways that remain relevant even as AI evolves. When it comes to Google Gemini, I'm here to share some practical tips and tricks that you can apply right away. These insights are designed to help you leverage Gemini effectively, regardless of how the platform evolves. Getting started with Google Gemini is all about maximizing its integration within the Google ecosystem. This setup isn't just a one off task, it's about creating workflows that really enhance your productivity. Let's dive into how to configure Gemini for maximum utility. Let's start with the principles. The key with Google Gemini is its integration within the Google ecosystem. It's not just another AI tool, it's designed to work seamlessly with your daily apps. Think of it as your digital assistant embedded in Gmail, Sheets, Docs, and Drive. This integration allows for workflows that can save you time and enhance productivity drastically. First of all, I recommend you enable smart features in your Gmail settings. This can make a massive difference in how you interact with your emails. Once you do that, move on to the Gemini web app and selectively enable Workspace apps. This step unlocks powerful capabilities. For instance, extracting actionable insights from YouTube videos or applying structured storytelling frameworks to your work presentations. It's about making your tasks simpler and more efficient. One of my favorite features is the Gemini side panel in Google Workspace. This feature reduces friction by keeping AI tools right where I need them. Why switch between multiple tabs or applications when Gemini is just a click away? Whether I'm drafting an email in Gmail or analyzing data in Sheets, having access to AI right in the sidebar streamlines the entire process. First up, let's talk about Gmail. To really unlock the power of Gemini, you'll want to enable a few smart features in your Gmail settings. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about functionality. By turning on features like Smart Compose and Smart Reply, you're allowing Gemini to assist you in crafting emails more efficiently. Imagine drafting a response to a complex query, and Gemini suggests a reply that's not only concise, but also contextually relevant. This can save you a ton of time. Next, we need to look at the Gemini web app itself. Here you can selectively enable various Google Workspace applications. This is crucial because it allows Gemini to pull data from different sources seamlessly. For instance, if you often use Google Docs alongside Sheets, enabling these integrations will let you transition between them without losing context. Why is this important? Well, the more integrated your tools, the more powerful your workflows become. You could, for example, extract actionable insights from a YouTube video and directly pull that information into a presentation. This cuts down the time spent on research and allows you to focus on delivering quality work. I highly recommend utilizing the Gemini side panel available in Google Workspace apps. This is where Gemini really shines. Instead of switching between tabs or apps, everything you need is right there. For instance, if you're working on a Google Doc and need some quick data from Sheets, you can access Gemini without leaving your document. This reduces friction and keeps your workflow smooth. Think of it as having a virtual assistant that's always on hand, ready to help without interrupting your train of thought. Now, let's talk about Google Sheets. One of my favorite features is the ability to use Gemini formulas. These formulas allow you to automate several tasks like categorizing feedback or even translating text. Imagine receiving a bunch of feedback in multiple languages. Instead of manually translating each piece, you can set up a formula that automatically translates them. This not only saves time, but also ensures consistency across your documents. Another game changer is the use of commands in Google Docs. With this feature, you can pull live AI-generated summaries or paragraphs directly into your document. This means you can get up-to-date information or ideas without having to break your flow. For example, if you're drafting a report and need a quick section summarizing recent trends, just type trend summary and Gemini will generate it for you. It's like having a brainstorming partner who's always ready to contribute. No more staring at a blank page. Moving on to the models themselves, it's essential to understand the difference between chat and reasoning models within Gemini. For tasks that require deep thinking, like planning a project or analyzing data, defaulting to the pro reasoning model is your best bet. It's designed to think critically and self correct, which is crucial for complex tasks. On the flip side, if you have quick questions or need straightforward answers, the Flash chat models are perfect. They're fast and efficient for simple requests, helping you get what you need without delay. One of the standout features of Gemini is its massive context window. This is a significant advantage when working with large documents or complex projects. You can input extensive texts and expect Gemini to process them, which many competitors like Claude struggle with. This capability allows for deep analysis and thorough understanding, making your work more effective. However, a word of caution: Gemini's strict AI safety filters can sometimes limit its ability to respond to sensitive topics. While this is intended to protect users, it may push some toward alternative AIs that are less restrictive. It's a trade off you should be aware of as you set up and use Gemini. Ultimately, the real strength of Google Gemini lies in its deep integration with Google Workspace. It's not just about the quality of the AI model, it's about how seamlessly it fits into your existing workflows. I encourage you to explore features like the canvas for interactive content creation and see how they can transform your work processes. With the right setup, you can unlock the full potential of Google Gemini and make it a powerful ally in your day-to-day tasks. So remember, a tailored app configuration not only enhances your efficiency, but also ensures that Gemini behaves the way you want it to. Less is more in this case. Focus on the apps that align with your workflow, and you'll unlock a more productive experience. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. What did you think? Until next time.